Hey guys, my name is Moo from Auto. Today I'll be showing you our interior and exterior detailing kit that comes with everything you need to keep your car looking its best. Jumping into it, we're going to go ahead and take a look and see what we have in this kit. First off, we have our favorite bucket wash soap, the Suds. Infused with carnauba wax, the Suds will leave your vehicle shining and protected. It's perfect to use with a wash mitt and as routine maintenance soap. Next, we have our Magic Wax. Magic Wax is our ultimate spray wax. When paired with our fluffy slush, it adds a deep shine and a layer of protection against UV rays, dust, dirt, and other contaminants. After that, we have our Breakaway. When paired with our baby wheel brush, it becomes the ultimate way to remove stubborn brake dust, contamination, and metallic grime from your wheels and tires, while also being extremely easy to rinse off. No one likes dirty windows. That's why our Neo Glass will be the last and best window cleaner you've ever used. Its special formulation acts as an extremely fine polish, and when paired with a Super T window towel, it removes contaminants while also leaving you with a streak-free and crystal clear finish on your windows every single time. Moving on to the interior, we have our Revive. Its non-greasy formula makes it the best interior cleaner and conditioner. It safely removes contaminants while also conditioning the surface and protecting it from future fading and cracking. Included with this kit are all the accessories you'd need, including our fluffy slush, Super T window towel, our towelly, along with our wash mitt and our baby wheel brush. If you want to learn more about this kit and all of our other amazing car care products, visit our website at www.revautocarcare.com, and hopefully I'll see you guys next time.